Hi everyone, Gagajoy's cooking, and today we're going to do Cracker Barrel's hash browns for breakfast. I love them. We were Cracker Barrel this week, and this is always one of my side dishes. I have seen this recipe float around for years, and I thought, well, why not have it at home? So that's what we're doing today, and it's real simple. You start off with 2 cups of cheese. Got 2 cups here. And it calls for half a cup of onions, but my daughter doesn't like onions. So for that reason, I'm leaving them out because I think she'll be eating most of this. But I do like the onions in it. And a half cup of melted butter. A cup of sour cream. I do, this is one of my favorite things at Cracker Barrel. Whether or not it's the recipe, who knows. And 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Okay, let's get that all mixed up. See, it goes quickly. I mean, one of those, there's not anything that could go quickly. I do like the onions in it, but I know my daughter's having a cookout, so I'm sending them to her, and I hate to put the onions in it. I'm a mama. What can I say? Now this is a 26 ounce bag of shredded hash browns, and I have let them out sit for a while. They're not real frozen. My little dog is looking out the window at the deer. They do look really good. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some pepper in them. They usually put it on top, but I do have it all the way through it. It's a good teaspoonful. I do like pepper too. And salt. And I've got my oven on 350. I know it looks like a lot of pepper and salt, but it doesn't come out that quickly. So, we've got 2 cups of cheddar cheese, a cup of sour cream, half a cup of onions if you so like it, half a cup of melted butter, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, bag of frozen shredded hash brown potatoes, and salt and pepper. And that's it. See how quick that came together? I love it. If you don't have a Cracker Barrel in your area, travel to one. That's one of our favorite places to eat. I like Bob Evans too, but I think Cracker Barrel is my favorite place to eat. And if you have any leftovers, If you put it in your air fryer, it's wonderful. And let's put some more cheese on top. Well, actually, it takes about 3 cups of cheese. I had a little bit of mozzarella I threw on the topping here because it was going to go to waste if I did. So then we might as well use it. So it goes into the 350 oven for about 50 minutes until it's brown on top. Everybody's oven stickers. So we'll be back pretty soon. Remember I told you I was making my potatoes, hash brown potatoes for my onion-less daughter. Well, I put it in the oven, and my son-in-law was here to pick it up a little early because I had to go to church. But anyway, this smells so good. It turned out so beautifully. Try it. Let me know how you like it. Take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. Bye. Remember the joy.